Being empathic can feel like no one understands me, my sensitivity, my energy, how I feel other people's, and how I absorb their energy. No one understands me. I am alone. I have to isolate myself in order to feel myself again because toxic energy really drains my soul, my being, and the only way to fix it to isolate myself. Does that sound familiar? Because if you're empathic, you consistently find yourself in this loop of feeling drained and exhausted. And on top of that, if you are ambitious, if you are someone who wants to be successful, then this feeling that how can I be successful if I am so sensitive? My sensitivity is becoming my weakness. My sensitivity is making me feel that I cannot be around the crowd. I cannot manage so many people. So how can I lead? How can I build a successful business if I am so sensitive? Because I have been there, so I know exactly how that feels. I used to hide from people. I would isolate myself for weeks because after being around toxic people, I would physically get sick. And the only way I knew how to really let go of this toxic energy is to isolate and completely be alone, to be re energized and feel whole and complete in my own energy. So I know how challenging and difficult that is. And you might be surprised to hear that I used to work for investment banks and I was around so much toxic, ruthless energy. It was so hard for me being highly sensitive, being a healer, being highly empathic, to be in that environment and really thrive in that environment. It would drain the life out of me every single day. And surviving that for many, many years was causing me so much pain. So if you are like me, highly empathic and highly ambitious, then I have something to tell you. Because I wish someone told me this when I was suffering, when I was struggling, when I was getting sick every 2 weeks because of the toxicity that I was exposed to. I wish I had somebody to tell me this. And I'm going to share with you something that is going to make you stop seeing your sensitivity and you being an empath as a weakness. Did you know that only 1% of the world is an empath and is highly sensitive as you are? It is only 1% of the world. And that puts you in such a unique, powerful position as a human being because your empathy is your divine power. Because if you feel that as an empath you can't be a leader, that is not the truth. That is the biggest lie that you are telling yourself, because in reality, being the 1% of the world who is highly sensitive and highly empathic makes you a highly credible leader, because you have the ability to feel people on a deepest level, and that puts you in such a unique and powerful position to lead millions and billions, because not everyone can understand human. Not everyone has the ability to understand and feel deep emotions and psyche of human being. But you, as a highly empathic and sensitive being, you have the power, the superpower, the ultimate credibility to feel and understand the human psyche. And that makes you highly credible, highly powerful leader. The thought leader that can transform the world through their sensitivity, through their empathy. Because what is lacking in this world right now deeply is the compassion and empathy, and you being highly sensitive can bring that empathy and compassion in your leadership. Whatever path you choose, whatever you are highly driven towards, you feel deeply that is your soul calling, that can make you the highly successful leader in your space. Empathy is the potent truth that every human being is seeking, to be felt, to be understood, to be seen. And being an empathic, being highly sensitive, you are able to see, you are able to feel, and you are able to understand most human being. Can you believe in 8 billion people, you are the 1% who can deeply understand human? So, regardless of what path you choose, if you go deep within those people who you want to serve, who you want to help, who you want to add value to, you are the one who is going to succeed incredibly. You will be beyond your competitions because you have a gift, the genius of understanding and feeling human beings and their emotions. That puts you on the highest pedestal as a leader, as a entrepreneur, as a thought leader in your space. You may say to me that I've gone through so much that it feels like a burden to me, that I've always been taken advantage of. People rejected me, people caused me pain. Therefore, I feel broken. But what is really interesting is all your past pain, all those challenges, all those experiences of feeling misunderstood is really has sharpened your gift of understanding people, of sharpen your psychic intuitive abilities. It has sharpened you to really feel more. It has sharpened you to really understand more. So instead of seeing that as a drawback, I want you to see that as a gift for you to feel and see more and to be more in this energy, because you get so much because of your pain. You understand so much because of your past. You feel so much because of your trauma. The world is so ready to receive more connected, empathic leaders because the past has been running by the toxic leadership, the leaders who are disconnected with themselves, who are still operating from the place of desperation, of a place of neediness, of a place of toxicity. But the world is so ready to have leaders who are so in tune with their energy, they're in tune with their empathy and compassion, and they're able to elevate the consciousness of the world because of the inner innate power of sensitivity and empathy. And you are that leader. You are that person who can guide and show and really take the world and the consciousness of the world on a next level. But I know what you are thinking. I need to protect myself. I need to keep myself safe. Therefore, I have to play small. Because if I expose myself, if I put myself as a leader, then I'm exposing myself to the toxic energies. And that can put me in a very compromising position that I would not be able to handle. But here's the truth. You are not here to survive. You are here to lead. You have been chosen to lead, and this is why you have been given a gift of being an empath, being sensitive. Your intuition is like an inbuilt GPS that can track, that can feel, that can really help people and guide people. So that's inner GPS is your superpower. Your empathy is the key to connecting and inspiring others, because the world really needs people to feel loved, and seen. And you have the power to make people feel seen and loved. And your sensitivity is what makes you exceptional leader. You helping people, you employing people who are going to raise the consciousness of the world, who are going to show the world a different way to lead, is your superpower. And this is the key that I want you to understand, that everything that you feel that is your weakness is the most potent, highly credible, highly successful quality that is required today in the world to excel on the highest level. And you have that quality. So the sooner you let go of this belief that you have to play small in order to feel safe, the sooner you are going to accelerate in your growth as the empathic leader. And the real question is not that how sensitive you are. The real question is, are you ready to embrace your gift, to really show the world who you truly are, and embrace your sensitivity as the armor, as the crown, as the gift that divine has given you to own your truth and your ability to lead with this beautiful gift that you have. If you are ready to embody your gift, if you are ready to really lead as an empowered leader, to be able to let go of the past pain, childhood experiences, and trauma, to really embody the true leader in you, to become financially free to by embracing your gift, then click the link below to apply for my mentoring. Other than that, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And may the light in me reaches the light in you.